MustangMedic. We're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. What can you say? Let's go this now. This will give you a sense of the overall show, and also, this is Maryland, Ocean City, Maryland. Beautiful place. I'll go all the way around. Get a little peek there. She's a rumbler. Cobra Jet 428, he's sporting it. Very nice. Have you ever seen MustangMedic? No. Well, you're going to be on MustangMedic now, so you might want to see it. Nice to meet you. All right, nice to meet you guys. Beautiful car. Hear that rumble? That's 428. I'll make sure you're in too. You're in the videos.
All right.
Two 1968 Shelby GT500KRs, 428 Cobra Jets, together, owned by brothers. Now is the time to subscribe to MustangMedic on YouTube, because I've got a ton of video on these two amazing cars that are sitting next to each other. I can't even believe it. I gotta shoot the tail end real quick. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? With cars and with America. You know what I mean? Enjoy. Subscribe. Please. Please. I'm not really begging. Maybe a little. Anyway, we're definitely reaching a new level with MustangMedic.